Hello, everybody. I'm Minh Quan from Deakin University. Today, I'm going to introduce my thesis by 3 minutes, a metaphoric story called Recycling Against Virus Contamination. Yeah, to easily comprehend our project ideas, let's imagine there was a vast ocean called Recycling Ocean. In this ocean, there live many ships of all shapes and sizes travel to and from. Each ship represented a different type of materials that regarded by humans, such as paper, metal, a plastic, yeah, so on. And contamination here is like a 10-minute, it's a private ships sailing through the ocean, taking emerging ships and stealing the cargo. Each private ship represents a different type of material that contaminate the recycling ocean, such as plastic bag, food scraps. And our project solutions is like a fleet of Navy ships patrolling the ocean and trying protecting emerging ships from the pirates. Yeah, our sensor-based system, including cameras, sound recorders, and will be like lookout towers on a Navy ship to constantly scanning the horizon of side of trouble. And parallel learning is a secret code that Navy ships use to communicate with each other to share information, the privacy of contamination they have encountered. And so they can learn from each other and develop new strategies to defeat the pirates. And transfer learning here is considered a measure, it means the tracer map. Tracer map represent the knowledge that Navy ships have learned from defeating the pirates and transfer to new Navy ship when we come to a team. Yeah. Yes. Okay. To sum up, our project is about how to use contribute the waste, how to reducing and detecting contaminations in recycling stream by integrating parallel learning, transfer learning into sensor-based system and making more recycling and making recycling process more efficiency and more effectively. And right now, we are also publishing some paper about trust detection as the base for trust detection. And to make the next step will be plastic bag detection. Yeah, thank you so much.
It's a great presentation, Min. Any questions from the floor? Yes, Michael. Yeah. Sorry, Priyank, you next.
You talked about identifying contamination, but how do you then, will the systems exist to actually extract it? Because again, we can identify contamination, but we can't then deal with, how does your system deal with contamination that we've identified?
Yeah. First step, we need to identify contamination first, because right now recycling stream right now we be hindered by a blocks of plastic bag. So already asking for a council about the solution they are facing. They told me that we need to reduce the plastic bag first, and they will have a next step for doing what we have resolved for that. Yeah.
Very quick one. Excellent. I think the topic to your voice as well. Where has been neglected this area. So an excellent presentation as well. So I want to just ask you, like onshore, you mentioned about offshore, which has been neglected by everyone.
Yeah.
And, so I think that's quite important. The sensors, I just want to check whether the sensors that you're talking about, could it go a bit more below water level as well? Because I think that's somewhere they're also doing some work in another way. But would it go below water level as well, where some other contamination below the microplastics and all that could be detected?
Thank you for your questions. First of all, I need to clarify what sensor we're using. Right now, we plan to use cameras and sound recorders sensors to capture video, and will separate the sound and image to classify the plastic bag and combine the training model AI to combine accuracy from the image processing and sound processing to increase accuracy of detecting the plastic bag in the recycling bins.
Yeah, I think Priyan, the ocean is used as an analogy rather than the actual. So it's yeah, yeah, to offshore. Yeah, yeah,
It's not in a PhD.
yeah, because yeah, yeah,
Yeah, just thinking, very important.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, the other thing to point out is now Filippo is used recycling plastic bags in bitumen. Is that right? So maybe there's an opportunity once you have identified, tracked, and collected. You were talking
We are
about the
ready
next
to collect
stage.
the data
Yeah,
for
yeah.
if we collect some videos about throwing the plastic bag, and we can separate the image and sound together to make the accuracy, predict accuracy about us.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much.